adventure. With me is my sister. She's going to join with us today. Baby Trixie, can you say hello to the people? Say hello to the people. Yeah, she's so excited to be with us. We've got a cash register with flashing lights and sound effects. With this, we'll use a AA battery. Now let's open the box. Paper money, coins, ATM card, mini cookies, milk, eggs, mineral water, milk chocolate, bell pepper, corn, a fish, and chicken. And we have here a purple basket. We have the cash register, and there is a receipt over here. I've already put the batteries. With the help of my mom, we can scan the items. So now let's